Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make minestrone soup at home. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need fresh vegetables such as carrots, celery, and zucchini, along with a variety of beans like cannellini and kidney beans. Don't forget a small pasta, perhaps ditalini or elbow macaroni, and a good quality vegetable or chicken broth. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's build that incredible flavor. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté your chopped onion, garlic, and any fresh herbs until fragrant, about 5 minutes. Stir in 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Pour in 6 cups of broth, bring it to a simmer, and let it cook for at least 20 minutes to deepen the flavors. It's time for the finishing touches that bring your minestrone to perfection. Add 1 cup of your chosen small pasta during the last 10 minutes of cooking, ensuring it becomes al dente. Stir in 2 15-ounce cans of drained and rinsed beans, allowing them to heat through. Taste and adjust the seasonings with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any additional fresh herbs you desire. Your delicious homemade minestrone soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle the steaming soup into warm bowls. For an extra touch, garnish each serving with a generous sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a drizzle of high-quality olive oil. Serve it alongside some crusty bread for dipping. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.